Every great sauce begins here, in the quiet fields where heat is born.
Only fully matured peppers are chosen, rich in color and natural fire.
Quality is decided before the factory ever sees them.
From soil to steel, the journey begins. Freshness is protected every step of the way.
Timing matters as much as heat.
Within hours, peppers reach their transformation point. This is where flavor becomes science.
Nothing enters without control.
The factory wakes up.
Color tells the first story of heat. And now, the real process begins.
Before heat can be shaped, every pepper must be cleaned of the world it came from.
Dust, soil, and field residue are removed without damaging the skin.
Human eyes still catch what machines sometimes miss.
Dry peppers move better and spoil less.
Uniform size means uniform cooking later.
Nothing is wasted, but only the best move forward.
Light and data decide what stays.
Color equals flavor and heat.
Stems add bitterness. Precision removes them.
Now the pepper is ready to be broken down.
This is where structure begins to change.
This paste carries everything for us: heat, color, and aroma. Heat is monitored from the very first second. Texture tells us if the grind is right. Smoothness decides how the sauce will pour later. Air dulls flavor. Removing it preserves fire. From one stream, many paths form. Volume matters at this stage. Movement must be gentle, never rushed.
Every batch is recorded, every variable remembered.
The paste is now ready for transformation. Heat comes next, and flavor begins to change. Heat changes everything, but only when it is controlled.
Too hot, and flavor burns. Too cold, and heat stays raw.
Pressure is released. Flavor is held.
Acidity balances fire.
Salt does not season, it awakens.
Each factory has its own guarded balance.
Machines measure. People decide. The sauce is now stable.
Heat has done its work.
Cooling must be slow. Rushing creates separation.
Stability begins with temperature control.
The sauce needs time to settle. Flow tells us everything.
Even cooling requires motion.
Balance keeps the sauce alive.
Every batch leaves a record.
Safety is never assumed.
Now the sauce is ready to move on. Cooling is complete. The final form comes next.
Soon, heat will be sealed.
Before filling, the container must be as clean as the sauce itself.
Air cleans without adding moisture.
Alignment prevents waste. Heat is sealed inside the bottle.
Consistency builds trust. Patience improves clarity. Even the lid follows a system. Two loose leaks, two tight breaks. Clean sealing protects the sauce.
Now the sauce is locked in.
Human touch confirms machine work. The product is nearly complete. Now the sauce receives its identity. Information matters as much as flavor. Straight labels reflect careful work. Small details affect the final look. Machines verify what humans expect. Mistakes are corrected immediately.
Every bottle tells when it was made.
Traceability protects everyone.
The process flows forward.
Order prevents damage.
Speed follows precision.
The sauce is now ready to travel.
Once sealed, the sauce moves as a unit.
Alignment keeps loads stable.
Repetition creates reliability.
Protection matters beyond the factory. A simple check prevents losses. Information travels with the product.
Movement must be controlled.
Storage is part of the process. Every pallet has its place. Nothing is lost in a modern factory.
This is controlled waiting.
Soon, the sauce will leave.
Before anything leaves this place, it must be proven safe.
Every batch is tested, not just trusted. Acidity keeps the sauce alive and safe.
Texture decides how the sauce behaves.
Invisible threats are taken seriously.
Only approved batches move forward. Final checks protect the consumer.
A stable sauce shows its balance.
Taste confirms what numbers cannot.
Now the product is complete.
Organization keeps the process calm.
Quality is not a step, it is a habit.
Now the work turns outward.
Every movement is planned.
Space is used wisely. Stability protects the journey. Once closed, nothing changes.
The sauce leaves quietly.
Production never stops. Another cycle begins.
Experience keeps everything moving.
Heat, balance, and time.
Thanks for watching.